Yo, it's December 2nd. Let's see what we've got in day 2 of the Volkswagen Advent Calendar. Yeah! So yesterday we got the base. What have we got today? There's number 2. What's here? Little tiny one. That's what she said. Whee! What have we got? We have wow, incredible. It's the rubber feet for the base. Amazing. I'll pop these on. There's 1. There's 2. That's 3. That's 4. What's going to be inside day number 3? Who knows? Maybe it will be a sticker that says Golf GTI. Maybe it will be the shell of a car. Who knows? But there we go. Got feet on my little base so we know it doesn't move. So there we go. That's what's in day 2's part of the Advent Calendar for December 2nd. And the book talks about VW's search for a successor to the Beetle when they contracted Porsche to design a car, which looked quite a lot like the Scirocco, designated the EA266. Don't think it ever went into production, but yeah, nice little bit of information there. What will we find tomorrow in the Advent Calendar and in the book? Join me on December 3rd to find out. Bye bye.